How do I do meditation? Some of the questions that we might have. I understand the benefit, but I don't know how to start. And is there a simple list of instruction that I can follow to meditate? Or if I don't have time for meditation, what I can do? What I can do? So what do you do? Basically, pick one technique, any technique that you can relate to and stick to. Don't worry about which technique you follow. Don't worry about that. Keep following the technique. Don't give up. Don't compare. Don't try to look for different technique, this versus that. Just pick one and stick to that for some time. Keep things simple. Don't think too much. Don't say there are many techniques, whether this is better or that is better. Don't think about the uh, effectiveness of a technique. And we are just getting started here. From that perspective, I'm saying. And have patience. Give it some time. You will see things. No matter where we are, no matter what technique you follow, I can guarantee your understanding, attention, awareness, awakening will be different when you follow a technique, and it will be based on the technique that you follow. Have patience and please do not compare yourself with others. Why? Just remember this very important, interesting picture. At times we try to follow our own path and see someone following some other path and finding success before us, and we give up on our own path, start following the other path, and we end up empty handed, or we don't see anything for far more greater, even though we were just around the corner for finding a greater success. Like in this picture, a bigger diamond happens so many times. That is why it is important to follow one path. Just have patience. Someone commented, good and simple questions. Okay, thank you, Sharana, for that comment. So do not compare, just have faith. That is why faith is important. So make a schedule if possible. If you make a schedule, things will become easier. If you're not able to meditate, do not worry about the time, posture, or place, or any other thing. Just do wherever. A small little thing is fine. If you can sit, do sitting. If you can, you want to lie down, lie down. If you want to sit on a chair, on a sofa, or on some swing or something, anywhere is fine. Just start with that. We are just getting started. We just have to start. Starting is more important. Remember from the last meeting, we have to stop thinking and starting basically, and keep walking. Just remember, no matter what you pick, just continue. Consistency pays quite heavily. It rewards you. The more consistent you are, the greater the reward is going to be. Is affirmative prayer a form of meditation? Um, yes and no. Affirmation is reinstating things to you. A prayer is basically when you are praying for a positive thing. Typically, any prayer can be termed as affirmative prayer, right? Because we are trying to change the things for a positive outcome. Prayer is something that, what happens in prayer is when we are asking for something, we are also creating a feeling of lack. We understand that we don't have something, that is why we need something, and we rely on God to give that. Meditation is a practice where you let it be, whether on God or creator or anything, but you just say that I'm gonna work on myself. I'm gonna make myself become capable, increase my capacity, so that if God is waiting for me to get something, or waiting for something to be given to me, but I cannot handle, let me increase my capacity. If you want to think from that perspective, but worship is a better way of describing meditation, I would say. if you want to talk about prayers and worship. Prayer is still you're asking for something. You can focus on prayer for some time, but worshiping is something that can help you go deeper, basically. So worshiping is a better way of describing your attention or connection. But again, that is one of the ways. Just keep walking. Just remember that, which is important. Anything that you follow, as long as you are able to concentrate, stay in that state, just follow that.